gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
The iPhone 17 series officially launched yesterday, and in this video, I'm giving you a first hands-on look at the brand new iPhone 17 Pro and highlighting its latest features. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Right here in my hand is the freshly released iPhone 17 Pro, and I've got it in the stunning blue color. The design language has finally evolved, and honestly, it feels like a big leap forward. If you think back to the iPhone 11 about 5 years ago, we first saw that square camera bump with the triple lens setup. This time, Apple has switched things up again, moving from a square to a sleek rectangular layout. The phone itself still feels very premium and solid. In terms of weight, it's almost the same as before, maybe just a touch heavier. From the front, there aren't huge changes, but the display definitely got an upgrade. The durability is also improved. Apple claims the scratch resistance is now twice as strong as the previous generation. The front camera now uses a square sensor, which I explained in more detail in one of my earlier videos. Turning to the back, the changes are even more noticeable. The logo area now has a frosted glass finish, while the rest of the back is built with metal, including the camera housing and even the raised platform around it. On the blue model, the antenna ring blends in nicely, giving it a more seamless look. Camera-wise, all three lenses this time are 48 megapixels. The layout is slightly adjusted, so Apple could make space for a VC vapor chamber and introduce a brand new 8x optical zoom lens. That's right, the telephoto zoom has been upgraded to 8x, which is a huge improvement. The in-hand feel is also better than before. The curvature at the edges is smoother and more refined compared to the sharp right angles we had earlier. It feels much more comfortable to hold and really highlights the Pro's premium finish. The camera button is still here, despite rumors that it might be removed. The blue shade has a slightly deeper glass tone compared to lighter options, which I'll also show you shortly. The middle frame is now crafted from aluminum alloy instead of stainless steel. This was likely done to reduce weight and improve heat dissipation. The logo sits a bit lower than before, just as leaks suggested. And as always, Apple's build quality is excellent. Everything fits together perfectly with no rough edges. So how would you rate the design of the iPhone 17 Pro out of 5? Drop your score in the comments. Now let's move on to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This one I have here is in the white finish, and compared to the blue, a color difference stands out a lot more. The frosted glass has a slightly grayish tint under certain lighting, which gives it a kind of futuristic, almost mecha vibe. In terms of feel, the Pro Max benefits even more from the updated design. With its larger 6.9-inch size, the softer curves make it much more comfortable in the hand, especially when holding it vertically. Your palm rests naturally against the back, and it doesn't feel as sharp as the 16 Pro Max. Performance-wise, the Pro Max packs the new A19 Pro chip with a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU. Apple says it's up to 40% faster than the A18 in the 16 Pro. Built on the 3nm process, it should bring some serious improvements, and of course, I'll be testing this in detail in an upcoming video. The silver model also looks stunning. The curved frame feels more ergonomic than the flat-edge design of older iPhones. And now in my hands, I've got the orange Pro Max, which might be the most sought-after color this year. Under the light, it gives off golden highlights, and the glass shifts to a grayish tint at certain angles. It's bold, eye-catching, and has a real premium vibe. Looking closer at the details, the lens housing is smoother, the LiDAR scanner is repositioned, and the redesign allows more space inside for that 8x telephoto lens and vapor chamber cooling. The antenna cutouts are also more visible on lighter colors like silver. As for camera upgrades, the telephoto system now offers both 4x and 8x optical zoom, and digital zoom can reach up to 40x. Switching between focal lengths, wide, 2x, 4x, 8x, feels seamless and natural. And yes, the front-facing camera sensor is square this time, supporting both vertical and horizontal shooting modes. So that's your first look at the iPhone 17 series. Go ahead and rate it out of 5 in the comments below. And don't forget, I'll be uploading a full in-depth review very soon, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos, and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.